So the drill needs 45 seconds. Okay. So it's the timing. Okay. Okay. You wanna do one last run? Kasi the entrance is a mess. It was too slow. Okay? Pasok ka agad. Miss Calma, you're the cue. So as soon as the choir sings, pasok na ka agad rampa. You don't have to do one by one ang haba ng distansya. Just go in and walk. And then okay, announcement for people that's here, including the people that are watching outside. No photos or videos and posting allowed of the rehearsals tonight. Clear? Okay, thank you. I will talk to the congregation because I may have to leave. So I'm so sorry, we have to run it one more time. We have to fix the timing. And if we get it perfect, then we can all go. Okay? It's easy. You just walk in and go to your places. It's very easy. Okay. Exit. Everyone out. No cameras and videos. Girl, you, no videos in the area. None at all. You also. Okay. All right. Stand by, Ryan.
Ano yan, kuya? Ano yan?
Enter. Enter, Miss Kaugma. That's much better. message, and then like, and then grow. Okay? Thank you. That's much better. I hope you get it tomorrow. I hope it's the same as snappy as tomorrow. Okay? Fix your lines. Okay, everybody can rest. Let's make it beautiful and amazing tomorrow. Okay? Thank you. Soldiers, you will stay and talk to me.